Welcome to the world united. Welcome to the world united.
Welcome to the World United. I, at the outset, appreciate all the speakers and the moderators, and very especially the organizing team under the stewardship of Floyd De Silva, Basant Hede, and everyone who played their role well in this powerful unity consciousness movement that we are building collectively across the world. As you all know, the World United has already organized 3 world parliaments on spirituality, followed by many global transformation festivals nationwide. And at the state level, we are organizing the We Are One summits for all the states and provinces, regions, departments of each and every country of the world. As a sequel to this We Are One summit, we are also going to have the district-wise unity conclaves in every district. What is district in India, maybe something else in different countries, but we are going to organize all these unity conclaves. The main aim, purpose, objective of this event is to create the council of 9 members, a minimum of 9 members each wing of the World United, each theme of the World United. There are 15 themes or wings here. So I especially personally invite each one of you to take a call within and be a part of this unity consciousness and share your skills, expertise, so that the collective consciousness will impact the people in a better way than each one of us individual efforts. So thank you very much. Once again, I thank everyone here, and let us move forward together. Thank you very much.